Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the second part of the Grand Award function in the afternoon session, wherein the Innovative Student Projects Award, Youth Conclave Competition Prizes, Young Engineer Award and Young Innovator and Entrepreneur Award shall be presented. I welcome Professor Indraneel Manna, President INAE, Professor Purnendu Ghosh, Vice President INAE, Professor A.B. Pandit, Vice President INAE, Professor Sivaji Chakravarti, Vice President INAE, Professor K. Bhanu Sankara Rao, Chief Editor of Publications, and Lieutenant Colonel Shobhit Rai, retired, Deputy Executive Director INAE, back on the dais, and request them to please take their seats. Can we all once again welcome them on the dais, ladies and gentlemen? To commence the post-lunch segment of the INAE Award Grand Award Function 2021, may I request Professor A.B. Pandit, Vice President INAE, to please brief on the Innovative Student Project Awards and announce the names of the awardees at doctoral and master's level.
Thank you. Good afternoon again. And as requested, I would give a brief introduction to these Innovative Student Project Awards. The Academy instituted Innovative Student Projects Award in the year 1999 to identify every year innovative and creative research projects undertaken by the students in engineering institutions and provide recognition and incentive to them. The award carries a citation of rupees 25,000, citation and a cash prize of rupees 25,000 for the selected PhD theses, rupees 15,000 in cash and a citation for selected master's thesis, and rupees 10,000 in cash to each team member of the selected project at the bachelor's level, subjected to a maximum of 4 team members. Every year, nominations are invited by Indian National Academy of Engineering from heads of the government, regional and private engineering colleges institutions for the best project in each of the major engineering disciplines at the doctoral, master and bachelor's level. These awards are formally inducted, awardees are formally inducted as INAE student members for a period of 5 years and are represented with a certificate and identity card. The selection procedure for the subject award is a 2-tier selection process, wherein at the first stage, initial shortlisting is done by the selection committee, followed by a second stage wherein the shortlisted nominees are invited to make presentations before the selection committee. A total of 183 eligible nominations were received at all 3 levels this year at doctoral, master's and bachelor. The first meeting of a selection committee to shortlist the nominations was held on August 30th, 2021, wherein a total of 52 nominations were selected, 21 at doctoral level, 14 at master's level and 11 at bachelor's level. These shortlisted nominees were invited to make presentations of their work during the second meeting of the selection committee held on September 30th, October 1st, a 2-day meeting in the year 2021. The selection committee recommended 8 nominees recommended for the doctoral level and 7 nominees at the master's level. The names of the award winners at the doctoral level and master's level will be announced in due course. I'll announce these names in that order sequentially. At the doctoral level, the awards, Innovative Student Project Awards, are given to first, Dr. Indrasis Das of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the thesis titled Bioelectric Toilet for on-site treatment of black water to facilitate reuse of treated water and electricity generation for on-site application. Second award to Dr. Arpita Biswas of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, for the thesis titled Algorithm for Fair Decision Making, Provable Guarantees and Applications. The third award to Dr. Vijay Lakshmi of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, for the thesis titled Design and Development of Micro Devices for Platelet-Rich Poor Plasma Separation from Blood. Fourth, to Dr. Khushbu Suman of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, for the thesis titled Microstructure and Viscoelasticity of Physical Gels. Fifth award to Dr. Syed Shahjahan Ahmed of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, for the thesis titled Modeling, Characterization, Control and Design of Switched Reluctance Machines. Sixth award to Dr. Sanghamitra Ghosal of Indian Institute of Engineering and Science Technology, Shibpur, for the thesis titled Ternary Hybrid Junctions for Semiconducting Oxide Nanostructures, Reduced Graphene Oxide and Noble Metals for Improved Gas Sensor Device Applications. Seventh award to Dr. Syed Idris Afzal Jalali of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, for the thesis titled Evaluation of Power Law Creep in Bending. And eighth award is given to Dr. Parvez Ahmad Sheikh of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, for the thesis titled Engineering Bio-Inspired Polyurethane Scaffold to Attenuate Oxidative Stress and Hypoxia for Cardiac and Dermal Tissues Regeneration. I request the President of Indian National Academy of Engineering, Professor Indraneel Manna, to confer these awards on the Innovative Students Project Award at doctoral level.
On behalf of INE, I confer the Innovative Student Project Award for the year 2021 at doctoral level on Dr. Indrasis Das of IIT Kharagpur, Dr. Arpita Biswas of IISc Bangalore, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi of IIT Bombay, Dr. Khushbu Suman of IIT Kanpur, Dr. Syed Shahjahan Ahmed of IISc Bangalore, Dr. Sanghamitra Ghosal of IIEST Shibpur, Dr. Syed Idris Afzal Jalani of IISc Bangalore, and Dr. Parvez Ahmad Sheikh of IIT Kanpur. Congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Manna. Let me now read out the names of Innovative Project Awards, Student Project Awards for students who have been awarded this at a master's level. First, Miss Vasamaseti Sriharika of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University for the master's thesis titled Health Monitoring Structures under ambient and vehicle excitations. Second, Miss Tapadyoti Banerjee of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the thesis titled Design the Authenticated Encryption Scheme by Exploiting the Randomness Property of a Cellular Automata. Third, to Mr. Sampad Laha of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the thesis titled Dynamics of Blood on Paper Matrix and its Implication in Point-of-Care Diagnostics. Fourth award goes to Miss Lubna Muzammil Rahman of Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, KK Birla Goa campus, for the thesis titled Understanding the Thermodynamics of Salt Water Systems. Fifth award goes to Miss Yashaswini Bhuyan of Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, for the thesis titled Performance Analysis and Optimization of Received Diversity PLC System with Imperfect CSI in Nakagami M Noise Environment. Sixth award to Miss Shruti Tandon of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, for the thesis titled Investigating the Intermittency Route of Chaos to Order Transition in Laminar and Turbulent Thermoacoustic Systems. And finally, to Mr. Namapalli Ganesh of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, for the thesis titled Eddy Resolving Simulations of Cavity Flows. May I now request the President, Professor Indraneel Vanna, to confer Innovative Student Project Awards at master's level to these nominees. Thank you.
On behalf of INE, I confer the Innovative Student Project Award for the year 2021 at master's level. Ms. Vasamsetti Sri Harika of JNTU Hyderabad, Ms. Tapadyoti Banerjee of IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Sampad Laha of IIT Kharagpur, Ms. Lubna Muzammil Rahman of BITS Pilani Goa campus, Ms. Yashaswini Bhuyan of IIT Bhubaneswar, Ms. Shruti Tandon of IIT Madras, Mr. Nampalli Ganesh of IIT Madras. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Professor Manna.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now invite Professor K. Bhanu Sankara Rao, Chief Editor of Publications, INAE, to please come to the podium and announce the names of the Innovative Student Project awardees at bachelor level.
Thank you, Professor Pandit. I am pleased to announce conferment of 8 awards for Innovative Student Projects Award 2021 at bachelor's level. The details of the award winners are Mr. Laukus Tuck of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, for the projects on calorific value determination of reject fractions from mechanical biological treatment plant. Second one is Mr. Aditya Chetan and Miss Bribi Joshi of Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology, Delhi, for the project on understanding adversarial collusive activities in online social networks. Third award goes to Mr. Ashwin Agarwal, Mr. Rohan Katkar, and Mr. Suyash Dadmal of College of Engineering, Pune, for the project on design and development of agricultural harvester mechanism for bulbous crops like onions. Fourth award goes Mr. Merul Ritesh Shah of Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai, for the project on design a brine preparation unit to manufacture 2000 TPD of soda ash using seawater as raw material. Fifth award goes to Miss Sakshi Sushant Naik of Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, for the project on novel strategies in automated and physics-driven deep learning for real-time optimal design of cascaded industrial crystallizers. Sixth award is given to Mr. Ishank Shekhar of Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram, for the project on generation of 24-sided polygonal voltage space vector structure with reduced hardware complexity. The Mr. Shashank Tomar of Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram, for the project on launch vehicle landing trajectory optimization. Eighth award, Mr. Swantam Govardhan Reddy of Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, for the project on dynamic modulation of light using plasmonic nanostructures on elastomeric PDMS substrates. I request Professor Indranil Manna to confer Innovative Student Project Awards at the bachelor levels to the names that have been announced.
On behalf of INE, I confer the Innovative Student Project Award 2021 at bachelor's level on Mr. Lavkush Tak of IIT Bombay, Mr. Aditya Chetan and Ms. Brihi Joshi of IIT Delhi, Mr. Ashwin Agarwal, Mr. Rohan Katkar and Mr. Suhash Dadmal of College of Engineering, Pune, Mr. Merul Ritesh Shah of ICT Mumbai, Ms. Sakshi Sushant Naik of IIT Hyderabad, Mr. Ishank Shekhar of IISST Thiruvananthapuram, Mr. Shashank Tomar of IISST Thiruvananthapuram, and Mr. Swantam Govardhan Reddy of IIT Hyderabad. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Purnendu Ghosh, Vice President INAE, to please come to the podium and brief on the INAE Youth Conclave 2021 and announce the names of the winners of the competition prize winners.
Good afternoon once again. It is my pleasure to inform that the 4th INE Youth Conclave 2021 was organized by INE jointly with IIT Bombay, NITI Mumbai and ICT Mumbai, online for the first time on September 24, 2021. The 5 themes of national importance of the conclave were waste to wealth, digitization and revolution in logistics, engineering intervention to fight against COVID-19 and healthcare management, teaching and learning in pandemic, and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. During the youth conclave, competitions were held on various themes, and the winners of the competition were invited to share their views through presentation and demonstration. A total of 164 teams registered in the competition and 13 were awarded after due evaluation by the experts. These awardees are formally inducted as INE student members for a period of 5 years and will be presented a certificate and identity card. I shall now read out the names of the prize winners who were conferred the awards. Theme 1, Waste to Wealth. First prize, Mr. Samarth Chakankar, Mr. Roshan Sinha, Mr. Girdhar Sharma. Second prize, Mr. Arya Sanjay Kumar Shah, Mr. Syed Sahid Hussain, Mr. Preet Patel. Third prize, Miss Rushika Bulani, Miss Astha Jain, Miss Meghna Nakhate. Theme 2, Digitization and Revolution in Logistics. First prize, Miss N. Malathi, Miss S. Nitya Kalyani, Miss S. Preeti. Second prize, Miss Monish Raj Bajaj, Mr. Monish Raj Bajaj, Mr. Shubham Parmar, Miss Tanishka Gupta. Third prize, Miss Shruti Panpalia, Miss Riya Patel, Miss Rajvi Shastri. Theme 3, Engineering Intervention to Fight Against COVID-19 and Healthcare Management. First prize, Mr. Nallam Prem Krishnan, Mr. P.B. Vardhan Reddy, Mr. M. Sri Preetham. Second prize, Miss Sri Rupa, Mr. Sri Kesharam, Mr. Shreyan Kumar. And third prize, Mr. Maheshwaran, Mr. Jayasuriya, and Mr. Rithish. Theme 4, Teaching and Learning in Pandemic. First prize, Ms. Dharani Manne, Ms. Bhavna Rajputana, Ms. Harika Mahalakshmi. Second prize, Mr. Saurabh Kumar Pandey, Mr. Prasad Cholwar, Ms. Astha Pankaj Kashyap. Third prize, Mr. Jinit Sangvi, Mr. Swebert Korea, Mr. Ayush Yadav. And session 4 on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. First prize, Ms. Jyoti Ratna Sri, Mr. Mayank Kanubhai Patel, and Mr. Shubham Khatri. Let me take this opportunity to announce the awardees of IMP 2021 conducted by INE and IIT Hyderabad jointly as a satellite event along with 15th NATFO Symposium. The winners were selected from 24 applications by eminent jury comprising of INE Young Engineer awardees and chaired by Professor Sivaji Chakravarti, Vice President INE. The awardees were UG category. First prize, Nitish P. Surya, Bharat for Natural Fiber Extraction Machine for Sustainable Development, Pineapple Fiber. Second prize, Mohammad Safi for an autonomous drowning rescue system. Once again, PG category. First prize, Mayank Kanubhai Patel for novel approach for 3D printing of high strength AI7075 alloys. Second prize, Prashant M, Narayan Kumari JR, Chaitra D for development of low cost falling weight deflectometer. Startup category. First prize, Rafaz Ahmad Wani, Sagufta Akhtar, Isaac Ahmad Wani for spade and hoe. Second prize for R. Sai Chandra Teja, C. Krishna Mohan, C. Vishnu Prasad Vishnu for state of the art multi-class wafer defect dissection and segmentation in semiconductor manufacturing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Sivaji Chakravarti, Vice President INAE, to please brief on the INAE Young Engineer Award and Young Innovator and Entrepreneur Award and announce the names of the awardees.
Good afternoon. This section is devoted to the Young Engineer Awards of Indian National Academy of Engineering in order to recognize and encourage excellence in the fields of engineering. The Academy instituted INAE Young Engineer Awards in 1996. This award recognizes not only the scientific and technological contributions of the nominee, but also their practical applications in industry and their potential for advancement of new technology. The eligibility criteria are evidence of excellence in engineering research, products and processes, design, technology development and transfer as submitted specifically for consideration of the award and should have been carried out in India. The award consists of a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh and a citation. Each year, nominations are invited by the Academy from various engineering institutions, research laboratories, industry, and INAE Fellowship. The selection of INAE Young Engineer Award was made in 2 stages. In the first stage, from a total of 156 nominations for INAE Young Engineer Award 2021, 38 candidates were shortlisted by the respective sectional committees in their separate sessions during 11th May to 21st May 2021. Due to the prevailing situation in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic, the final selection process was conducted online through Webex, wherein, in the second stage, the candidates made presentations before the designated selection committee and additional invited experts on July 30th and 31st, 2021. The criteria for selection were the engineering contributions and excellence, future promise as a leader, records and credentials, impact made in the engineering field, and presentations as well as confidence levels in answering the questions. 15 candidates were selected for this award. These award winners will also be formally inducted into the Academy as INAE Young Associate during the annual general meeting of INAE Fellows being held online tomorrow. I will now take the names of the award winners. INAE Young Engineer Awardees 2021. Dr. Sri Harsha Kota, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Delhi in Environmental Engineering. Dr. Puneet Kumar Patro, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Kharagpur in Mechanics. Mr. Pankaj Malhotra, Scientist, Tata Consultancy Services, Mumbai in Machine Learning for Predictive Maintenance, Prognostics and Health Management, Reliability Engineering and Time Series Analysis. Dr. Abid De, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Bombay in Machine Learning, Artificial Intelligence and Complex Networks. Dr. Neha Khatri, Senior Scientist, Department of Optical Devices and Systems, CSIR Central Scientific Instruments Organization, Chandigarh in Optical System Design and Fabrication for Soft X-rays and Infrared Optical Elements. Dr. Shaurabh Mandal, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur in Fluid Flow and Mass Transport. Mr. Sri Harsha Nistala, Scientist, Tata Consultancy Services, Pune in Sintering and Pelletization, Thermodynamic Modeling and Process Modeling and Simulation. Dr. Abhijit Mahapatra, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Kanpur in Power Network Operation and Planning and Protection in the presence of renewable energy sources. Dr. Manoj Kumar Jaina, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Palakkad in Power System Engineering. Dr. Manan Suri, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Delhi in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Dr. Niraj Kumar, Principal Scientist, CSIR, Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, Pilani, Rajasthan in Plasma Assisted Microwave and Sub-Terahertz Source. Dr. S. Mathavaraj, Scientist, SE, U.R. Rao Satellite Center, ISRO, Bengaluru in Space Trajectory Design, Guidance and Navigation and Control Design of Space Vehicles. Dr. Shamadhan Ananda Pawar, Postdoctoral Researcher, Department of Aerospace Engineering, IIT Madras in Synchronization, Complex Systems and Control of Instabilities. Dr. Chandrasekhar Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Kharagpur in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Mr. Pushkar Varshne, Senior Research Manager, Life and Processing Refining Technology, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Research and Development Center, Faridabad in Refining Technology. May I now request Professor Indranil Manna, President, INAE, to confer the awards.
On behalf of INAE, I confer the INAE Young Engineer Award for the year 2021 on Dr. Sri Harsha Kota of IIT Delhi, Dr. Puneet Kumar Patra of IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Pankaj Malhotra of Tata Consultancy Services, Mumbai, Dr. Abid De of IIT Bombay, Dr. Neha Khatri of CSIR CSIO Chandigarh, Dr. Saurav Mandal of IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Sri Harsha Nistala of Tata Consultancy Services Pune, Dr. Abhijit Mahapatra, IIT Kanpur, Dr. Manas Kumar Jaina of IIT Palakkad, Dr. Manan Suri of IIT Delhi, Dr. Neeraj Kumar of CSIR CEERI Pilani, Dr. S. Mathavaraj of UR Rao Satellite Center, Bangalore, Dr. Samadhan Ananda Pawar of IIT Madras, Dr. Chandrasekhar Tiwari of IIT Kharagpur, and Mr. Pushkar Varshni of Indian Oil R&D at Faridabad. Hearty congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Professor Manna. The INA Young Innovator and Entrepreneur Award was instituted in the year 2017 to encourage and recognize innovation and entrepreneurship among young engineers. The engineering innovations, inventions, and concepts that have been actually realized and implemented in industry, either in new processes or products, are given weightage. Each year, nominations are invited by the Academy for this award. The award carries a citation and a cash prize of rupees 2 lakhs to the selected individuals, or to be shared by the group of individuals not exceeding 3 persons. A total of 45 nominations were received in 2021. The first meeting for shortlisting of nominees for INA Young Innovator and Entrepreneur Award 2021 was held on 22nd July 2021, wherein 21 nominees were shortlisted. These shortlisted 21 nominees were invited to make presentations of their work on 27th August 2021. The presentations were evaluated based on the following criteria: novelty of the innovation, level of technical content, including the state of the art, potential impact, both societal and industrial, level of maturity with emphasis on time to market, and cost effectiveness. 4 nominees have been selected for conferment of the award in 2021, and these 4 awardees are Dr. Chandan Kumar Jha, Postdoctoral Fellow, IIT Gandhinagar, in the field of fiber optic sensing for development of highly sensitive and reliable instrumented glove. Dr. Madhan Balaraman, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR Central Leather Research Institute, Chennai, in the field of leather technology for development of collagen composite scaffold for treatment of wounds. Mr. Nikhil Kurele, co-founder and CEO, Nokark Robotics Private Limited, Pune, and Mr. Harshit Rathore, co-founder and CTO, Nokark Robotics Private Limited, Pune, in the field of mechanical engineering for development of an advanced ICU ventilator. Dr. Sebastian C. Peter, Associate Professor, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, Bengaluru, in the field of carbon dioxide capture and utilization for pilot scale development of carbon recycling. I now request Professor Indranil Manna, President, Indian National Academy of Engineering, to confer the awards.
On behalf of INE, I confer the INE Young Innovator and Entrepreneur Award for the year 2021 on Dr. Chandan Kumar Jha of IIT Gandhinagar, Dr. Madhan Balaraman of CSIR CLRI, Chennai, Mr. Nikhil Kurele and Mr. Harshit Rathore of Nokark Robotics Private Limited, Pune, and Dr. Sebastian C. Peter of JNCASR, Bangalore. Hearty congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, sir. May I request Lieutenant Colonel Shobhit Rai, retired Deputy Executive Director, INAE, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Professor Indranil Manna, President INAE, Professor Purnendu Ghosh, Professor A.B. Pandit, Professor Sivaji Chakravarti, Vice President INAE, Professor Bhanu Sankara Rao, Chief Editor of Publications INAE, esteemed Fellows of INAE, Young Associates, awardees, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, on behalf of INAE, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I express my gratitude to INAE Fellows and Young Associates who spared their valuable time and participated in this unique annual convention conducted online for second year in a row and made it a grand success. Your encouraging comments and feedback during the conduct of the event shall encourage us to set the bar higher in the forthcoming events next year, which henceforth shall take a different turn because of limitations and challenges presented by COVID. I sincerely thank the annual convention organizing committee chaired by Professor Purnendu Ghosh, Vice President INAE, and Fellows of INAE, namely Professor Sivaji Chakravarti, Vice President INAE, Professor Avinash Kumar Agarwal, Professor B.S. Murthy, Professor S. Gopalakrishnan, Mr. Pradeep Chaturvedi, Professor Ligi Philip, and Professor Debatosh Guha for guidance in execution of this event, which was an improved version from the last year in many ways. As against the norms, wherein INAE always had a host organization which partnered with INAE to execute the physical form of the annual convention in all its glory, this year as well, due to COVID, the event is being organized virtually by INAE itself with due guidance from the esteemed fellows of the INAE Annual Convention Organizing Committee, and I thank them for their continued support. My sincere thanks to the office bearers of the Academy, namely Professor Indranil Manna, President INAE, Professor Ghosh, Vice President INAE, Professor A.B. Pandit, Professor Sivaji Chakravarti, Vice President INAE, and Professor K. Bhanu Sankara Rao, Chief Editor of Publications, in taking time out from their busy schedules to venture out in the corona times, running the risk, which we are all well aware of, and traveling to Delhi for the conduct of this event and providing the air of authenticity to this event, which would have diminished had it been a purely virtual event.
My deepest admiration and thanks to the INE staff. They bring such dedication and expertise to the headquarters, which to my mind is unparalleled. I thank Dr. Gitanjali Sani, Dr. Debjani Bhattacharya, Mr. Virender Kumar, Mr. Bhuvan Adlakha, Mr. Rahul Garg, Mr. Sheetal Sharma, and all others at INE office for putting together this event along with our event consultancy firm, Messrs. Falcon Exhibitions Private Limited, in making this virtual event a reality. At this moment, it is my pleasure to congratulate all the awardees and wish them many more prestigious laurels and accolades in their professional journeys. I thank all present here once again and request all fellows and young associates to please join us for the induction ceremony tomorrow morning. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall break and request you to rejoin at 4:30 p.m. for the award lectures, wherein the winners of Lifetime Contribution Award in Engineering, Professor Jay Krishna and Professor S.N. Mitra Memorial Awards, Outstanding Teachers Award, and Woman Engineer of the Year Award 2021 shall deliver the award lectures. During this break, we shall showcase glimpses of INAE flagship activities held over the years. Please enjoy. Thank you.